Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Juniper Networks. Now, this is a stock that we bought on the breakout a couple weeks ago. And, we're not up a lot, but we're up nicely. And the reason we're not up a lot is because, number one, we haven't held the stock for that long. And if you want a big profit, you got to hold for a big move. You got to hold for a while. But then the other one is, this just isn't really that volatile. It's just coming out of this symmetrical triangle. Really, really nice volume on the day is one of the big reasons why I wanted to take this stock. And now we've got another one. This was last Friday, which you'd expect, Options X. And then this Friday is another nice volume day. But if we look at the weekly chart, this is one of the things that I really like to see, because this stock now has broken out to a new high. I think it used to be higher years ago. Yeah, definitely. I remember that. That's when all the geniuses here were turned into all the dunces there. So, though, on the weekly chart, this is looking strong too. It's out of a nice base that's lasted, about 4 months or so. So I wouldn't. Here's the thing. I wouldn't buy this stock right now, but I would absolutely watch it. This is probably even going a bit higher with this kind of momentum. We could see it run up a bit more. I just think it's risky to buy it there. Though if you want to, hey man, we're still going to be in it. But I would probably want to wait for a safer entry, which would be a little bit of a pullback. But anyway, this is how we're trading stocks now. We have to adjust our entries. We have to adjust our trades according to what the market's giving us, as long as they're not too far off what our edge is. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Look, if you're having a hard time trading, check us out, because we got a lot of people who are not having a hard time trading. In fact, who are having the best couple weeks ever. I know, because they're telling me privately, and then they're also posting in our trading forum. So anyway, check it out. Hope you do. Hope I'll see you there. Have a great weekend.